No. Hi, it's Tommy Stewart, and today I'm going to talk about whiteboard video, as you can see on the screen. It's put together by a company who are known as Whiteboard Video Box, and it's a very nice piece of software. Well, today we know that video is a far better seller than just the written word. I mean, the written word is archaic. It's like going back into Stonehenge and getting out a big piece of stone and starting chipping away at it to write something. This is the way the world is going now. Video is the way to market, to sell. Because it captivates the audience easier. It's more interesting to sit and watch a video than it is to read. Reading is tedious to people, boring, hard work. Sitting back, watching a video, nice and easy, and there you go. Now, a lot of local businesses, local to you businesses, have video, have websites, but they're written websites. They don't have any video on them. But this means to say that there's a marvellous opportunity for someone such as yourself to purchase this piece of software for a mere $17, which will be available from the 10th of this month, January 2019. Time's marching on, isn't it? And then you can go out, round the local businesses, and sell them the idea of having their own video. Moreover, having paid you $17 for this piece of software, that's all you're out of pocket. You could ask $300 a go, $299 to prepare for your local businesses a video advertisement. I mean, not bad, is it? Get yourself a business card done, go around the businesses, walk in, hello, present your card. I can do you a video. Do you have a video? No? Oh, well, here we go. 2 a day, $600 a day. Just work a 5-day week. Not bad. $3,000 a week. Nice in your pocket. So another string to your bow, of course, is that you can simply buy this software and sell it on to other people. Make yourself a 50% commission. However, I would prefer to go around the businesses and make myself $300 a go. So, right, let me just give you an example. Let me see what I can find. I mean, you can sell this to accountants, auto insurance people, auto repair, bookkeepers, chiropractor. I haven't put my teeth in properly today. A chiropractor. The fitness centre, pest control, and numerous other people, because they're bringing new people out every day. And if you buy, they'll be adding on to it at a later time. Let me give you an example. I mean, they have prepared the video for you. All you have to do is touch it up, make a few little changes here and there, and bingo, you have a video advertisement. Let me give you an example. Hang on. Right, so let me see. Here we are. Watch this. Now we'll just give this a little click here, and away you go.
Are you looking for a trustworthy auto repair shop to fix your vehicle? When your vehicle breaks down, it's not only an unwanted expense, it's also highly inconvenient to you and your family. Finding a reputable auto repair shop can be time-consuming and stressful, and sometimes impossible. Our auto repair mechanics have the training and the hands-on experience to repair your vehicle quickly and on time. Don't let a small problem become a major issue with your vehicle. For a fast and reliable service at the price you will love, contact us today.
There you are.
Are you looking for trustworthy auto repair?
Nice and easy. And you can do this for numerous other people. Fitness centre, bookkeeping, etc., etc., etc. Your business I mean, where can you buy a business for $17? You can't, can you? Here you have a business for $17. Moreover, for your $17, if you look below, you will see my domain name, Tommy Stewart. If you click on it, it will take you to where my website is now, and you will see that I will give you 5 bonuses, free bonuses, if you purchase this software whilst you're here. Nice bonuses too. They're very clever. They're worth having. So I'll give you. I've itemized them, and you can read what they're all about. But what I haven't written in there is if you decide you don't want the bonuses and you like to have 100 video books about every aspect of working on the internet, and you just let me know, I will send you 100 video books absolutely free of charge. So keep it in mind, just below. And I think that's it really, you know. So there you go. Make yourself some money. Get in there and enjoy. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.